I comes to the main workshop, the assembling workshop for block machine. Here you can feel it's really quiet. Here we can feel the quiet is because of the holiday starts. Our workers all come back for the holiday. The traditional Chinese New Year, the traditional Chinese Spring Festival, is the biggest holiday and festival in China, actually. And this holiday means family reunion. And most all people, after a whole year's work, will come back to home, get family reunion, get together with friends, with relatives, and the family to spend the holiday together. And so here, this kind of quiet will not be too long. And we will come back on holiday. I'll come back from holiday about 10 days later, because we have so many orders to process. Before our Spring Festival holiday is like 2 weeks or half a month or even 20 days. But this year it's only 10 days. As I mentioned, there are too many orders, and the clients want their machine, wish to have their machine as soon, so they can start production and get their investment back. And even today, the last day, we have containers to load. As I mentioned before, and I showed before, the container is on the process of loading. And it's not only that container. Later on, we'll have 2 more containers come for the loading. Usually, when I speak in this workshop, it's not clear. The sound is not clear because the worker, they doing the welding and the production sounds is louder than mine. But now you can hear me clearly, right? You can see our machines. They are in crane like. Let me show you. These machines are all the ordered machine, because we do the production according to orders. Different clients have different different modes requirement. And before the New Year starts, all our stock is selling out. So these block machines are all for the orders. So we will come back from holiday earlier than before and start to make more block machine for clients, and we will do more machines for in stock. And so after we finish the molds, we can give the clients the machine sewing. Here is the machine. I think just finished testing. You can see the blocks is the interlocking hollow blocks. You can see it clearly here. And this kind of blocks is very popular in many countries. If you have the same requirement, please contact me. Let me show more clear about this block later.